Like the online blended course, the residential course in Advanced Contemporary Restorative and Aesthetic Dentistry covers the same topics. So we build on the level 1 course and we cover prosthodontics, composite and particularly occlusion and clinical occlusion in more detail. The course runs as 13 dates throughout the year, running from September to July. So generally we do 1 day a month and then a couple of dates in one of the months throughout the year. The course runs as 13 days spaced out throughout the year, with the course starting in September and running through to July, and all of the dates for the course are available on the website. How will the course enhance your career? Well, it will develop on the level 1 course, so you'll be able to treat more complex cases. With composite, you'll be able to deal with more complex cases in terms of crown and bridge, and also handle the occlusal aspects of these cases in more depth as well. So it'll really help you to provide better care for your patients and a more profitable and more enjoyable practice. In addition, the course will actually allow you to take your studies to the next level, and through BAARID you can go on and undertake the Diploma in Restorative and Aesthetic Dentistry. So watch the testimonial videos, which will give you an opportunity to see what students have got out of the course and what they thought of the course, and then please contact us for more information.